Good morning, children. Very good morning. Today we are going to discuss about the manufacturing industries. Last class we have discussed about same topic, manufacturing industries, about importance of industries and what is the meaning of industry and which are the factors required, needed and ideal for the industries and important ideal plants in India we have discussed this. Of course, this topic is not there for our theory examination, but it is only for math. So therefore, I will give you from this topic in this class we will discuss about important ideal plants in India. This video is for next class, that is next week 15, 121 geography. So this class will discuss about important steel plants in India. Important steel plants in India. Number one is here. The list is here. Salem, Visakhapatnam, Vijayanagar, Bhadravati, Roorkela, Bhilai, Jamshedpur, Bokaro, Berhampur and Durgapur. These are the important iron plants. These are the important iron steel plants in India. Once again I repeat: Salem, Visakhapatnam, Vijayanagar, Bhadravati, Roorkela, Bhilai, Jamshedpur, Bokaro, Berhampur and Durgapur. These are the important iron steel plants in India. Now question come to where these plants located, where these iron steel plants are located. If you take one by one, take Salem, yes it is in Tamil Nadu. Visakhapatnam, yes it is Andhra Pradesh. Vijayanagar and Bhadravati, it is in Karnataka. Come to Roorkela, it is in Orissa. Bhilai, Chhattisgarh. Jamshedpur, Jharkhand. Bokaro, Bihar. Berhampur, West Bengal. Durgapur, West Bengal. These are the important iron steel plants. These are the important iron steel plants in India. So you write down the children, you have write down all the plants, important iron steel plants in India. It should be fingertips, yes, not simply reading and out. You have to make a note list, yes. What is that? Our first one is Salem, Visakhapatnam, Bhilai, Roorkela, Berhampur, Durgapur, Jamshedpur, Bokaro, right? Roorkela, Salem, Vijayanagar, Bhadravati, Durgapur, Berhampur, Jamshedpur, Bokaro, Roorkela, Visakhapatnam, like this. So you should write down all this. Then after once if you know these important iron plants, you should identify where these plants are located. Where these plants are located. Where these iron steel plants are located is. For example, take this. Salem iron steel plant, it is in Tamil Nadu. Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Vijayanagar, Bhadravati is in Karnataka. Roorkela, it is in Orissa. Bhilai, Chhattisgarh. Jamshedpur, Jharkhand. Bokaro, it is in Bihar. Then come to Berhampur in West Bengal and Durgapur in West Bengal. You have the important iron steel plants. There are total 10 on there. Yes. Very important for your map work. At the same time, the same related to this is all these plants are producing a lot of steel. Once upon a time, of course, India is defeating even China. 53, 54. During that, even India's steel production is more than even China. But of course, now at present, due to certain problems, of course, India, we can't produce much of steel as compared to China due to various problems. Correct? So, whatever produces to export not only steel, whereas other things, so we need certain forces. Major seaports take major role to exports and imports the goods from the different nations. So, therefore, here we come across the topic major seaports. So, which are the important major seaports are there in India? So, here in India there are 11 major seaports are there. 11 major seaports are there in India. I have listed here. I have here important major seaports in India or major seaports in India. Starting from today, Chennai, Chittagong, Visakhapatnam, New Mangalore, Kochi, Visakhapatnam, Calcutta, Haldia, Mumbai, Kandla, and Paradip. These are the important seaports. Important seaports. Once again, Chennai, Chittagong, Visakhapatnam, Paradip, Calcutta, Haldia, Kochi, New Mangalore, Mormugao, Mumbai, and Kandla. These are the important, the major seaports. Now question comes where these ports are located. Where these major seaports are located is. For example, take Chennai and Chittagong. Chennai and Chittagong located in where? In Tamil Nadu. Chennai and Chittagong located in Tamil Nadu. Okay. Then Visakhapatnam is in Andhra Pradesh. Visakhapatnam seaport is the deepest landlocked seaport is. Which is the most deepest and landlocked seaport in India, that is Visakhapatnam. The last question, that is the deepest landlocked seaport in India. A. Visakhapatnam, B. Kandla, C. Mumbai, D. Chittagong. So deepest landlocked port in India is, that is Visakhapatnam. Then come to Paradip. Yes, Paradip is in Orissa. Then Calcutta, West Bengal. Haldia, West Bengal. Then Kochi, Kerala. New Mangalore, Karnataka. Karwar, Karnataka. Mormugao, Goa. Mumbai, Maharashtra. And last one is, that is Kandla, that is in Gujarat. So maximum all these ports, you see, look at the map here. Most of these seaports located from west coast to east coast. Why this? Because what is the major? Electricity, water, cheap labor, raw materials, and these places are most convenient for transportation. Most convenient for transportation because ports, right? See, starting this is Gujarat, then Mumbai, Maharashtra, then New Mangalore, Mormugao, Goa, New Mangalore, Karnataka, Kochi, Kerala, Chittagong, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh, then Paradip, Orissa, and Calcutta, West Bengal, and Haldia, West Bengal. Maximum lies in the listing areas. These are the major seaports in India. I hope understood. So this you have to practice, not only just written on down the important steel plants. Another one map, other map will write important seaports and identify and close the book and you start identifying. So example point of view, you did not remember all those things. Very simple. They will give you dot. Map will be given. So they will mark some index A. Okay, here. So arrow will shown here. Right index iron steel plant. You should write yes. So and so iron steel plant located in state of, for example, it is in Durgapur. Where is Durgapur iron steel plant? It is in West Bengal. You should write down it is Durgapur iron steel plant. So if it is in Jamshedpur, Jharkhand, you should write Jamshedpur iron steel plant. Similarly, even ports also is. Similarly, important ports in India, these are important ports. Chennai, Pune, Mangalore, Bangalore, Kochi, Visakhapatnam, Calcutta, Algiers, Mumbai, Kanna, and Paradise. So very easy. This is only for one mark. This is for your map workplace. This is for your map workplace. Is it clear? If you have any doubt, please let me know, children. Yes. From this topic, there will be no theory questions. Only the related to map. That is, one is important identity plants in India. Another one is the important seaports. Otherwise, there is one more thing is related to IT sectors. Related to IT sector, that is information technology centers. Information technology centers, or we call it as a software technology parks. Otherwise, we call it as a software technology parks. Clear, no? Software technology parks. Clear? Any doubts, children, related to this important identity plants in India and major seaports? This you have to practice. You should be fingertips, yes. Last any financial plant you should know. What are those? Salem, Visakhapatnam, Rourkela, Jamshedpur, Bhilai, Bokaro, okay, Barampur, and Durgapur. What are these financial plants? Where is it located? Then you should say one by one. State. Each so-and-so identified located so-and-so state. Clear? And similarly, here, important seaports. This is the list of seaports. Clear? Then next class we will continue with the IT sector states, information technology centers. That we will discuss. Clear? Still, if you have any doubt, yes. Still, if you have any doubt, ask me what in this case. Children. Still, if you have any doubt related to this topic, please. I have not seen that. Is it clear? Manufacturing industries topic. The important identity plants in India. There are how many of them? 10 identity plants. 10 important identity plants starting from serial number 1 to 10. Okay? Salem is an important identity plants. Mini plants. Visakhapatnam, Vijayanagara, Bhadravati, Rourkela, Bhilai, Jamshedpur, Bokaro, Barampur, Durgapur. And see, most of these, some of the plants located with the collaboration of the other countries. You know one thing? So, most of these plants established long back. Long back means it is in, even after the independence, 47, 50, 53, 55. Those days, these plants are established with the collaboration of other countries. The collaboration of even Germany. Collaboration of Russia, collaboration of England. Okay. So therefore, it is important. Once upon a time, India is even competing the developed countries like even China is. Of course, now thereafter it has been declared due to certain problems. Maybe lack of missions, lack of competition, lack of production, various problems which have been. Clear? Now we see about the important course we have discussed already. Now what we should do, children, is we should take, everybody has to take a map. Take map and try to identify, try to mark these following items. Or take one map for industries, one map for ports, like this. That makes you alert and best is easy to learn and you can easily get marks. And finally, final test, let us see about important course. Chennai, Tamil Nadu, Tuticorin, Tamil Nadu, Mangalore, Goa, New Bangalore, Karnataka, Kochi, Kerala, Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh, Calcutta, West Bengal, Haldia, West Bengal, Mumbai, Maharashtra, Kandla, Gujarat, and Paradip, that is in Orissa. Clear? Now, next class we will study about the information technology parts. Clear? Thank you.